May buwi na tayo mga tropa. Papunta tayo sa area ng pick-up location na customer natin. Dito pala itong mga to. Yung mga nagtitinda ng siomai rice at sisig rice sa baba. Doon banda sa likod ng riverbanks. Yan, ang daming cart. Dito pa yung mga yan. O siya, tawagan na natin si customer.
Opo.
Hello po ma'am, Joyride po. Nandito na po ako sa pick-up location.
Opo, pababa na po.
Sige ma'am, thank you po. Okay, antay-antay na lang natin yung customer natin. Oh, ito na pala si ma'am. Hihatid natin si ma'am sa SD Mega Mall, Building A. Sige ma'am, sakay ka na. Okay na ma'am? All goods? Ready to go? Let's go! 7.6 kilometers lang ang tatakbuhin natin mga tropa papunta sa SD Mega Mall.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, yeah I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the nose. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. Living my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. Tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right. Cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you.
Okay mga tropa, nakarating na kami ng customer natin sa SD Mega Mall. May sukli pa po kaya ma'am? Ay okay na po, keep the change. Thank you po. Bait naman ni ma'am, sarap bumiyay kapag ganito. Hindi naman obligado magbigay ng tip mga customer natin mga tropa. Pero nakakagana lang din kasi talaga pag may tip. Malaki man o maliit, tip pa rin yan. Paalam muna sa ngayon mga tropa.